Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Muhammad Iksan Mansur, a student at Mercu Buana Bekasi University, majoring in Industrial Engineering. Here, I will present the research of the here I will present the result of my research. Analysis management stock chemical for sampling needs and fertile. Introduction. Why is the environment around us polluted? The more factories around us, the more contamination there will be. The government makes a regulation that every operating factory must carry out environmental check so that the surrounding community or employees who work are not affected. The environmental checking service provider company is tasked with analyzing or taking samples in the surrounding area, and the results are compared with the standard set by the government. Next, how to take environmental sample. The sample process requires a lot of chemical to absorb harmful substance in the air or in the water. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out more efficient planning and control of raw material. Next, why in our company must provide raw material? Inventory as a company asset has an important role in a business operation. In organization such as a service company must have inventory in order to able to provide the best service to customer. In a good company, it must be able to maintain an inventory of raw material in order to carry out the production process smoothly. And the most important thing is to be able to meet consumer demand. In analyzing the amount of raw material, I use the EOQ method or economic order quantity as an option as comparison between the policies that have been implemented. So the company can choose is more efficient in terms of spending on inventory cost or total inventory cost. In analyzing the amount of a raw material, I use next, what is the purpose of the research? The purpose is sequence of chemical process and the optimal number of the chemical needs. The second, comparison between the total cost of inventory using the company policy with the policy using the EOQ method. Next theory. Definition of inventory. According to Rangkuti 2004, inventory is an activity that includes goods belonging to the company with the intention of being sold within a certain business period of inventory of goods that are still in the progress on in the production process, or inventory of raw material waiting for their use in a production process. Function of inventory. So there are three functions of inventory, namely the coupling function is an inventory that allows the company to meet the demand for subscription with depending on the supplier. Number 2, economic lot sizing. Function this inventory needs to take into account the savings or purpose discount. The cost of transportation per unit becomes cheaper on and so on because the company makes purpose in the large quantities compared to the cost incurred due to the large inventory. Number 3, function anticipation. When the company faces demand fluctuation that can be predicted based on past data, namely seasonally demand. Number 3, types of inventory. Types of inventory are inventory of raw material. Raw material can be obtained from natural source or purchased from supplier and made by the company for use the substance production. Inventory of spare part, namely inventory of goods consisting of components obtained by other companies which can be directly assembled into the product. Auxiliary material, namely samples of goods needed in the production process but are not part or finished good components. Work in process, namely inventory of goods that are the output of each part in the production process or which have become a form but still need to be further processed into finished good. Finished good, namely inventories of goods that have been processed in the factory and are ready to be sold or sent to customer. What is the meaning of EOQ? According to Handoko, the EOQ method is used to determine the inventory order quantity that minimize the direct cost holding inventory and the inverse cost of ordering inventory. The basic assumption for using the EOQ method are demand can be determined with the criteria and constant so that there are no stock out costs and related capacity. Items order are independent of order item. Order accept immediately and definitely constant item price. Next method is a research method. The method used is a descriptive qualitative method because this study aims to collect, summarize, and interpret the data obtained, which is then reprocessed so that later it can produce a clear and comprehensive inventory planning. Data and information. The types and of data used in this study are primary and secondary data. Primary data is data obtained from direct observation in the field. Primary data collection is done by observing directly. Secondary data in the form of data on the number of purchases, the need for chemical for sampling need. The data collection method used in the research in the method of the observation and document. And data collection techniques is in this study are observation. Observation, the process of observation and recording systematically, learning directly about the problems and the procedure carried out the conducting the research. The second interview, the author conducted direct interviews with the parties involved in the procurement of chemical needs through direct questions, so that qualitative and quantitative data were obtained. Interview were conducted with the company inventory, PPIC to obtain primary data. Literally study, the author seeks information from various sources that can help achieve good research, such as reference books or journal. Documentation, the author collects data by studying and collection documents that are directly related to be research. Method, data processing and analysis. Data processing and analysis method to be carried out in this study. The first, calculation of linear regression method, calculation of exponential smoothing method. Number 3, calculation of cording method with a linear trap. Before me, apologize for not being able to display the results, the result, discussion, and conclusion, because I just complete in the research to the method only, and I plan to use this title for my thesis material. Any question?
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What are the advantages of your chemical stock management research?
Okay, thank you for the question. The advantage obtained from the research are to prepare all the chemical need before they run out. So we can find out the chemical requirements need for sampling in each company. So we don't have to wait for the chemical run out and then we order it again. So there's no problem running out of a chemical at critical moment.
Okay. Okay. That's
Any
enough.
question?
No.
Okay, now maybe that's all I can say. Sorry if there is a mistake. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.